Hello, my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I'm your science teacher, Ms. Zainab Khan, and I'm really very glad to meet you once again on this virtual platform. So, as you all know, that we are completing chapter number 5, that is our nervous system. And in our previous video, just for your feedback, in our previous video, we discussed some of the very important topics of our nervous system, and those were brain, spinal cord, and reflex action. But the chapter is not over yet. We have some more important things to discuss, okay? So today I'm gonna tell you, and you'll be exploring more about different topics today. So I'll not tell you now, I'll show you. But before doing anything, kindly mention your name, class, and section in the comment box for the attendance purpose. And at the same time, do not forget to like this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. Okay? So let's begin with our chapter number 5. That is really very interesting. And you must have your rough notebooks with you to note down some important information if you feel like. What a beautiful structure. Kids, you must watch it very carefully, okay? And you must identify that what's going on in this video and what this structure is all about. This structure basically shows you nerves, and our today's topic is nerves. We are gonna study about nerves. See, you can see different types of nerves, and I'll tell you how many different types of nerves are there. Kids, you know the nerves are made up of neurons or nerve cells, okay? And what neurons are? The nerve cells which bind together to form a nerve, they are known as neurons. Always remember, nerve cells have special thread-like parts called fibers. These are like thread-like parts known as fibers. The nerve fibers are bound together into nerves, okay? So each nerve is a bundle of fibers. There may be thousands of fibers in a single nerve. See, so many nerves you can see over here. So basically they are like the wires in a telephone cable. I know you all must have seen some sort of cables around you. So nerves are exactly the same kind of it. See, these are the nerves present inside our body. And kids, you know the nerves are directly connected to the brain or the spinal cord. And these are of 3 kinds. Now I'll show you how. You can see here we have 3 types of nerves. How many types? 3 types. Just have a look at this. First is sensory nerves. Second is your motor nerves. And third and the last one is your mixed nerves. So let's study about them. Sensory nerves. Nerves that carry messages from the body parts to the spinal cord or brain are called sensory nerves. Second, motor nerves. Nerves that carry messages from the brain to our body parts are called motor nerves. And the last, nerves that carry messages both ways from the brain to the body parts and from body parts to the brain are called mixed nerves. Okay, let me give you one example. Okay, to understand this, imagine you are cycling down a road. Okay, you are going somewhere. The lights suddenly turn red. Understood? So the sensory nerves from your eyes pass on this information to the brain. Because sensory nerves carry messages of what we see, hear, smell, taste and touch. This is the basic function of sensory nerves. So it quickly passes the information to the brain. And after that, the brain instructs the motor nerves. Okay, brain instructs the motor nerves to tell the muscles of your legs to stop cycling and bringing the cycle to a halt immediately. So this was one very fine example related to your nerves and its types. Now let's understand the second topic of our today's video, that is working of the nervous system. How our nervous system exactly works. Certain steps are there. Watch it very carefully. The nervous system organizes all our body parts so that they can work together in a very coordinated way. If coordination will not be there, then our system will not be work in a proper manner. Second, after a very well organized coordination, messages are sent to and from our brain all the time. Means messages are being passed from body to the brain and from brain to the body. Third, immediately after all the messages, the brain senses our environment and tells the body how to respond to what is going on. If something is going on in front of you, then brain will sense that okay, this is going on, and what I should do and what kind of a thing I should tell the body to respond in a different manner. And the last one, the nervous system sorts and interprets the incoming information before directing a response. This is very important. After all the steps, this is the last one, because your nervous system is the very important part of your body. It immediately sorts and interprets the information, okay, what's going on and what should be done for the following problems. Okay, one more example I want to give you regarding the working of nervous system. See, you can see nerves in the skin sense a tap or a blow. For example, if someone is touching your, if anything is happening around you, then immediately sensory nerves transmit touch message to the brain. Okay, that means sensory nerves will tell the brain that something is touching. After that, the message is interpreted. A response is sent to the motor nerves. Then motor nerves will start working. After this, motor nerves transmit a response message to the shoulder muscle. Understood? And then finally, the neck muscles are activated, causing the head to turn. That what's touching us. So this one is also the fine example of working of the nervous system. So kids, this was all about the nerves and working of the nervous system. That's it for our today's video. And your homework will be, you will learn all the definition of sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Your concept must be clear, and I really hope that you understood both the topics very well. So kindly write the definition in your rough notebook about sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, keep learning and keep doing hard work for your studies. Take care. God bless you.